Some doctors still believe that if the woman's had a hysterectomy, she doesn't need progesterone. But that is not the science. If you give estrogen, you do have to give progesterone. You have to balance. So progesterone acts as a diuretic. It's an anti-inflammatory. It aids in ovulation. It balances estrogen. It affects the potentiation of GABA. It enhances the action of thyroid. Positive effect on sleep, builds bone, maintains bladder function, maintains pregnancy. I mean, it does all of this. It helps with anxiety, irritability, insomnia, mood swings. It helps restore proper cell oxygen levels, helps the body use and eliminate fats, increases metabolic rate, increases scalp hair, induces E1 conversion to the inactive E1S form. It lowers LDL. It also modulates oxytocin, and it promotes Th2 immunity. It also protects the breast, relaxes smooth muscle of the gut so people digest their food better, supports the immune system, promotes implantation of the egg, and it promotes the formation of myelin sheaths.